So the next one, the workflow we adopted for the analysis is, actually it starts from scanning the seismic data on stack section. So we observe few flatter reflections within the HRL zone. Because we have multiple reflections, because the reservoir thickness is more than 100 meter, we have good frequency, so we are getting multiple reflections within the same reservoir. So at the edges, we are start observing some flatter reflections, which is supported by when we look the data in the amplitude maps, we found there are some patterns, and wherever there are some gas water contact, we are seeing different responses as compared to the areas where the reservoir is supposed to be filled with the hydrocarbon. So both these observations led us to go and see that by using the log data, whether we would be able to see the response of this kind of anomalies or flat reflections or flat spots on our seismic data, keeping in view the frequency of the area which is used for the for our seismic. So the third step was the fluid modeling. We checked all these both observation on our model, and then integrated all these three things and concluded our analysis here. So starting from the well-to-seismic tie, which is the first and key step for any forward modeling. If you want to go for the forward modeling, means you have to have the good control on your well-to-seismic tie. Furthermore, you have to take the representative wavelet, which again came from well-to-seismic tie. So again, let me go through the reservoirs. This is the Sirki shales on top of HRL reservoir, and this is our HRL reservoir, this zone. So we have a decent seismic tie on our seismic data, based on our well data, and we try to see the response of this HRL reservoir on the impedance synthetic, as well as for the synthetic gathers in the case of if we replace the reservoir with the water saturation, 100% water saturation, or in case of 100% gas saturations. So these two are the gathers, and we have a quite decent tie all on our all synthetics. One more thing for these seismic gathers, that at the bottom you are seeing that there are some amplitude variations with the offset. So another thing we concluded from this sections, these synthetic gathers, that there is a very slight variation in the amplitudes. So the AVO response is quite negligible for this reservoir. Mainly the gathers, they are looking for the lithological effect in the area.